This is the place of laitkynsew. The sunrise and sunset view. I don't know the viewpoint, but I see from this signboard. So if anybody from Meghalaya or from any other state from India, if you want to come to this place, you can come. It's very beautiful place. Corridor Jungle Resort, laitkynsew. Beautiful to enjoy sunrise and sunset at laitkynsew. Ay piang kadi kasnong kai kani? Laitkynsew kadi kadang ayu. Oh. Kai kasnong? Snong lum. Ha? Lum wa krem. It's in the lum wa krem at laitkynsew. This is the way to go to the resort.
Even corridor.
Even corridor.
Jungle.
Jungle.
Jungle resort.
Jungle resort. A beautiful place. Wow, super.
Picture.
Look. Very beautiful place. Beautiful flowers, the spinach flowers, then vegetables, then the motor, the salad. This is the way to go to the viewpoint. Itu nat gini. Cakap. Hah? Ni apa pamialam tu pa? Tu ya, shall. Wow, the beautiful, the beetroots. So, wow. Kerja telak, jangan beri telak ani, gaslet tak beetroots dah nak. Wow, bahaya hal tak kapir, tak beetroots dah nak. This is the beetroots. Wow lah. Oh ni. Mentati mau balik stasiun Podway. Tini di driver ni apa? Walong. Begini kiri